So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to flip an image vertical here on a Keynote presentation. So you have your image right here and you want to flip it vertically. Go ahead and press on it, then go to the top right and press on Arrange. Once you're on Arrange just like this, go to where it says Flip. This option right here is what you want. So if you hover over top of it, it says flip the object vertically. Simply just go ahead and press on that and you can flip it upside down. So a good example of this would be if I were to duplicate it just like this, and then I were to flip this one vertically just like that, you sort of have a mirror image of each other just like that. So it's super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to flip an image vertical here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.